I hope this works, because I think after I'm done with this, I'm going to do a good cry, because I'm very overwhelmed today. Motherhood. Single motherhood specifically. Hi my beautiful YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you are new, welcome to the team. I don't know why you're here, but I'm glad you are, so I hope you stay a while. As you can see, I did a little simple makeup look for today's video. This is my piggyback off of my drugstore essentials video. This is me taking the products that I recommended for your makeup kit and put them all together into use and show you how I do a very basic, simple chocolate girl glow friendly natural makeup look for every day. Nothing doing too much, like there's no lashes, there's no harsh contours, anything. Try to go as like natural and skin like as possible, using all drugstore products. I don't want to do a long intro because I don't really have much to say. It's kind of self-explanatory. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get into the video. So primer, as I mentioned in the last video, I'm using the NYX Marshmallow Primer. Again, I love this primer. It smells good. It smells like marshmallows. It's soft, it's hydrating, and it really primes your skin to really like make your foundation pop and look like skin. Okay, now I'll go in with my Maybelline Conceal and Perfect foundation. Next, I go in with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Concealer. This method of applying concealer isn't new, but it's kind of getting brought back up thanks to TikTok and people trying to show how to avoid like the big triangle patch of concealer that drops your face down. So just put a little bit, little goes a long way when you have a decent concealer. So just some in the inner corner, outer corner, just to lift up, and you want to put it in that direction to lift up your face. And you just want to just really conceal the dark spots. Like you don't want to have a big blotch of concealer under your eye or anywhere on your face at that. Trying to do this and TikTok at the same time is really difficult. So make sure y'all go follow me on TikTok. Next, while like right after I put my concealer on, I want to go ahead and set it because I don't want it to start creasing or anything. So I go with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the color Deep. Camera angle might keep changing because I'm doing a lot in between, but as you know, I don't typically contour, so from here I just go to my eyes. So actually for my eyes, I'm actually not gonna go in with a drugstore, so I guess a little clickbait, but I am actually working on adding eyeshadows to my cosmetic brand. So I've had this palette that was a try out a long time ago and I haven't yet. It's a lot of just different colors, so just to see like the quality of them, work with a vendor. So this is what I'm gonna use on my eyes today, but as I mentioned in my Drugstore Essentials video, you can use the 3502 from Morphe or any Morphe palette, but I usually go with just like browns, neutral colors when I'm doing like an everyday look. I don't really try to do too much when it's just everyday, basic makeup look. So I actually did end up dipping into the Morphe 3502 for the bronzy glitter on my lid, because I wasn't a fan of the glitter in the palette that I'm trying out, which is noted. So next for my eyes, I'm just gonna go with my mascara. I've been using the Maybelline Sky High for my mascara lately. Thumbs up if you can apply your mascara with your mouth closed. I don't think I can. I can for a little bit, but then I start feeling like I'm freaking suffocating, so I have to open it. So again, this is the everyday makeup look, so I don't wear lash on the everyday. Just use some mascara and leave it at that. I also don't do wing liner on the everyday either, so bye. So that's where we'll leave it. So next I'm just gonna brush off. I'm gonna wipe off the excess powder that has been baking and bring the color back to my face, because the powder does kind of mute it out a little bit with my Black Radiance Soft Focus Fancy Powder. Let me get that and show you. Black Radiance Soft Focus Fancy Powder. I really need to get a new one because you see I'm almost out, but I ride it till the wheels fall off, child. Then before I do my highlighter, I usually just spray myself with some NYX setting spray. I'm gonna use the matte today. Sometimes I'll do dewy, just really depends on how I'm feeling, but I'm gonna use the matte finishing spray today. As far as under eye liner, I typically don't use it. I forget, honestly, most times, but because I think I need it a little bit, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild gel breakup proof. Breakup proof mist meaning because it's waterproof, so if you have to cry, it won't go anywhere. See what it's hitting for. I hope this works, because I think after I'm done with this, I'm gonna do a good cry because I'm very overwhelmed today. Motherhood, single motherhood specifically. Alright, then highlighter, you already know. I just use my Maybelline Sunlight Spotlight Face and Eye Strobe palette. I use the middle one, this bronzy color one. They can make my skin glow the right amount. Sorry if my lighting's messed up. My son keeps messing with the lights. Final step, I just do my lips. I think today I'm feeling lifter gloss today. So I'm going with my NYX brown lip liner and then my Maybelline lifter gloss in Stone. See how that one turns out. Then to top it all off and finish, I'm going to use the Morphe finishing spray, the continuous mist setting spray, to set the whole look and finish it. So now I'm gonna zoom out so you can get the full look. Adjust my lighting because I think they're all messed up, but 1 second. And then this is the finished look. Nothing that does too much, very basic. It's an everyday makeup look. No lashes, no extras, no harsh makeup. It's supposed to be as natural looking as possible, and I think this kind of fits the bill. I mean, besides, you know, you don't typically have natural glitter on your eyes, but I don't think matte shadows look that great on me. So that's what I do. Tell me what you guys think and what other videos you want to see from me. So thank you all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something, and until next time, stay beautiful.